Hi guys, it's jewelry time. Gather your materials. Instead of cutting the cord, we'll keep going to create a seamless design and cut them in the end. Let's start by adding beads to the string, following the pattern that is shown. Make sure to thread them carefully for a neat and elegant look. Stay with me through the process, it's pretty satisfying. Without cutting the cord, start adding the beads for second bracelet with a separator or nice distance between them. This is the pattern that we are going to follow. Keep on adding the beads. And second bracelet is also complete. Similarly, we will add third bracelet in continuation. This is the pattern for third one. Adding the crystals onto the cord, this process works as a therapy. And here comes the fourth one in same continuation. Following this simply beautiful pattern, we made a very elegant zinc blue colored bracelet. This is what your bracelets should look like. You can add even more, but I made only 5. Now in the next step, we will cut the cords from both ends of the bracelets. After cutting, here is how they look like. And then tie the ends with a secure knot. Then cut off the extra edge. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to give a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.